Joanna Wilson, Team Tanfoglio USA. I have the Tanfoglio 1911 models here. This is your standard 1911 and this is your custom 1911. They both come with 5-inch barrels. They both come in black and chrome finish. They both are undercut for a higher grip, and they both come in 9mm and 45 ACP. The main differences between these are the fact that the standard comes with a fixed rear sight, and the custom comes with an adjustable rear sight. The custom comes with a steel guide rod. It also comes with a checkered mainspring housing and G10 grips. And as well, you can see that there is a mag well. The custom is definitely ready for shooting sports right out of the box, so it is a great choice if you just want to grab a gun and head to the range or to a competition right away. So we've already given you a lot of specifics about the FT1911 custom and standard. Now we're going to take it to the range and put it to work. So I just finished up shooting this FT1911 custom, and the trigger felt really smooth, and I really love the steel guide rod that really helped with recoil management. It is a great option for a competition or just the average gun owner that wants to go out to the gun range and have a good time. Don't forget, also 9mm and 45 ACP are what these come in.